Welcome to this informative video about AI marketing and how it can benefit online businesses. As technology continues to evolve, the world of marketing is changing at a rapid pace. And AI marketing is leading the way. In this video, we'll take you through the basics of AI marketing and explain how it can help businesses of all sizes reach their target audience and increase their ROI. You'll learn about the various ways in which AI marketing can be applied, from lead generation to customer retention, and how it can provide valuable insights into customer behavior. We'll also discuss the benefits of AI marketing, such as increased efficiency, better targeting, and improved personalization, and how it can help businesses stay ahead of the competition in today's digital landscape. So, whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, this video is for you. Join us as we explore the exciting world of AI marketing and discover how it can benefit your online business. Let's get started. ChatGPT plays a significant role in AI marketing by using its natural language processing capabilities to generate personalized content, respond to customer queries, and provide insights into customer behavior. One of the primary ways ChatGPT helps businesses is by generating leads. By using ChatGPT, businesses can create personalized conversations with potential customers, providing them with relevant information and answering their queries. This can lead to higher engagement rates and increased chances of converting them into customers. In addition to lead generation, ChatGPT can also help businesses increase their sales by providing personalized product recommendations. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, ChatGPT can suggest products that customers are likely to be interested in, which can result in increased sales and improved customer satisfaction. Moreover, ChatGPT can help businesses with customer retention by providing personalized support and resolving customer queries quickly. This can result in improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for businesses looking to enhance their AI marketing strategies. By providing personalized and relevant content to customers, businesses can increase their engagement rates, generate leads, and ultimately boost their sales. ChatGPT has been used by many successful businesses for AI marketing, and their achievements are a testament to the power of this technology. Here are a few examples of successful businesses that have used ChatGPT to enhance their marketing strategies. Hugging Face. This AI company uses ChatGPT to create conversational agents for businesses, enabling them to engage with customers in a personalized way. Hugging Face has worked with many companies, including L'Oreal and Airbnb, and has seen significant growth since incorporating ChatGPT into their marketing strategy. Whole Foods. Whole Foods, a grocery store chain, has used ChatGPT to create a personalized recipe recommendation system for their customers. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, ChatGPT suggests recipes that align with their interests, resulting in increased customer satisfaction and engagement. OpenAI. As the creators of ChatGPT, OpenAI has used the technology to create a variety of AI-powered applications, from language translation to chatbots. OpenAI has collaborated with many companies, including Microsoft and IBM, to develop AI-powered solutions that help businesses better connect with their customers. These businesses are just a few examples of the many successful companies that have used ChatGPT for AI marketing. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, they have been able to provide personalized experiences to their customers, resulting in increased engagement, sales, and customer satisfaction. Using ChatGPT for lead generation and customer retention can be a powerful way to enhance your marketing strategy. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT for these purposes. Before using ChatGPT, it's essential to identify your target audience. Knowing your target audience will help you create personalized conversations that will be more engaging for them. Create a chatbot using ChatGPT that can have personalized conversations with your target audience. The chatbot should be designed to collect customer data such as their name, email address, and preferences. Once you have created the chatbot, use it to engage with potential customers and generate leads. The chatbot should be designed to ask relevant questions and provide information about your products or services. ChatGPT can be used to analyze customer data and provide personalized product recommendations. Use this feature to suggest products that align with the customer's preferences, increasing the chances of them making a purchase. Use ChatGPT to personalize customer support and resolve queries quickly. This will enhance customer satisfaction and encourage customer loyalty. Analyze customer behavior and feedback using ChatGPT to identify patterns and preferences. This information can be used to optimize your marketing strategy and improve the customer experience. By following these steps, you can use ChatGPT to generate leads and enhance customer retention, resulting in increased sales and customer satisfaction. While the use of ChatGPT for AI marketing offers many benefits, it is important to also consider the ethical and privacy concerns that come with this technology. Here are some of the key considerations. Data privacy. ChatGPT collects and stores personal data, which must be protected from unauthorized access or misuse. It is important to ensure that user data is handled ethically and in accordance with privacy regulations. Transparency. It is important to be transparent about the use of ChatGPT and inform customers that they are interacting with a chatbot. Customers should also be informed about how their data will be used and have the option to opt out of data collection. Bias. ChatGPT can be trained on biased data, leading to biased responses. It is essential to ensure that the data used to train ChatGPT is diverse and unbiased to avoid discrimination or exclusion of certain groups. Inappropriate content. ChatGPT can generate inappropriate or offensive content if it is trained on inappropriate data. It is important to ensure that the data used to train ChatGPT is appropriate, and that the chatbot is regularly monitored to identify and remove inappropriate content. Manipulation. ChatGPT can be used to manipulate customers by providing them with biased or inaccurate information. It is essential to ensure that chatbots are used ethically and responsibly, and that customers are provided with accurate and unbiased information. While ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for AI marketing, it is important to be aware of the ethical and privacy considerations associated with its use. By taking steps to ensure data privacy, transparency, fairness, and responsible use, businesses can use ChatGPT in a way that benefits both the customer and the company. If you're looking to incorporate ChatGPT into your online business strategy, here are some tips and best practices to keep in mind. Determine your goals before incorporating ChatGPT into your business strategy. It's important to determine what goals you want to achieve. Are you looking to generate leads, improve customer service, or increase sales? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can tailor your ChatGPT strategy to meet those objectives. Train your chatbot effectively. ChatGPT is only as good as the data it is trained on. Ensure that you train your chatbot with accurate and relevant data to improve its performance and effectiveness. Integrate ChatGPT with other tools. To get the most out of ChatGPT, it's important to integrate it with other tools such as your CRM, email marketing platform, or social media accounts. This can help you streamline your marketing and sales processes and provide a better customer experience. Personalize the customer experience. Use ChatGPT to provide a personalized experience for your customers. This can be achieved by using customer data to tailor responses and provide personalized recommendations. Monitor and evaluate performance. Regularly monitor and evaluate the performance of your ChatGPT strategy. This will allow you to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to optimize its effectiveness. Provide human support when needed. While ChatGPT can be a great tool for customer service, it's important to recognize when a customer may require human support. Make sure there is an option for customers to speak to a human representative if needed. Incorporating ChatGPT into your online business strategy can be a powerful way to improve customer service, generate leads, and increase sales. By following these tips and best practices, you can ensure that you are using ChatGPT in a way that benefits both your business and your customers. When it comes to using ChatGPT for AI marketing, there are several common concerns and questions that business owners may have. Here are some of the most common concerns and answers to address them. Cost. One of the biggest concerns for businesses when it comes to implementing ChatGPT for AI marketing is the cost. While there may be some initial investment required to set up and train the chatbot, the long-term benefits of using ChatGPT for lead generation and customer retention can outweigh the costs. Implementation. Implementing ChatGPT for AI marketing may seem like a daunting task, but it can be made easier with the help of third-party providers and consultants. These professionals can guide you through the implementation process and ensure that your chatbot is set up correctly and effectively. Effectiveness. Some businesses may be skeptical about the effectiveness of using ChatGPT for AI marketing. However, numerous successful case studies and testimonials from businesses that have implemented ChatGPT have shown that it can be a powerful tool for generating leads, improving customer service, and increasing sales. Integration. Another concern businesses may have is how to integrate ChatGPT with their existing tools and processes. However, with the help of APIs and other integration tools, ChatGPT can be easily integrated with other tools such as your CRM, email marketing platform, or social media accounts. Training. One of the most critical factors in the success of using ChatGPT for AI marketing is the quality of the training data. Ensuring that your chatbot is trained with accurate and relevant data can improve its performance and effectiveness. While there may be some concerns and questions about using ChatGPT for AI marketing, it can be a powerful tool for generating leads, improving customer service, and increasing sales. By addressing these concerns and following best practices, businesses can use ChatGPT to its full potential and achieve their marketing goals. In the world of AI marketing, ChatGPT is rapidly emerging as a game-changing tool for businesses looking to generate leads and increase sales. But don't just take our word for it. There are many real-world case studies and success stories that demonstrate the power of ChatGPT in action. One such example is a retail company that used ChatGPT to create a personalized shopping experience for customers. By leveraging the natural language processing capabilities of ChatGPT, the company was able to generate personalized product recommendations based on customer preferences and past purchases. This resulted in a significant increase in sales and customer satisfaction. Another example is a healthcare provider that used ChatGPT to automate customer service interactions. By creating a chatbot powered by ChatGPT, the provider was able to quickly and efficiently respond to customer inquiries, resulting in faster resolution times and improved customer satisfaction. These are just a few examples of the many ways that ChatGPT can be used to drive success in AI marketing. By leveraging the power of AI and natural language processing, businesses can create more personalized and engaging experiences for their customers, ultimately leading to increased sales and revenue. The upcoming release of GPT-4 is highly anticipated in the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and it is expected to have a significant impact on ChatGPT and AI marketing as a whole. GPT-4 is expected to be even more powerful than its predecessor, GPT-3, which has already demonstrated remarkable abilities in natural language processing and other applications of AI. With even greater processing power and advanced capabilities, GPT-4 could unlock new possibilities for ChatGPT and AI marketing, making it even more effective at generating leads and driving sales. One area where GPT-4 could have a significant impact is in the realm of chatbots and virtual assistants. With its enhanced natural language processing capabilities, GPT-4 could enable chatbots to have even more sophisticated and nuanced interactions with customers, leading to even greater levels of engagement and personalization. Additionally, GPT-4 could unlock new possibilities for predictive analytics and personalized marketing campaigns, allowing businesses to leverage AI to deliver highly targeted messages and offers to their customers. Overall, the release of GPT-4 is an exciting development for the field of AI marketing, and it will be interesting to see how ChatGPT and other AI tools evolve in response to this new technology. If you're interested in incorporating ChatGPT into your online business strategy, there are a few practical steps you can take to get started. Research the capabilities of ChatGPT before you start using ChatGPT. It's important to understand its capabilities and limitations. This will help you identify the areas of your business where it can be most effective. Identify your business goals. Consider the specific goals you want to achieve with AI marketing, such as lead generation or customer retention. This will help you tailor your use of ChatGPT to these specific objectives. Determine the best use cases for ChatGPT. Based on your business goals and the capabilities of ChatGPT, identify the specific use cases where it can be most effective. This might include using it to generate leads, engage with customers, or personalize marketing campaigns. Choose the right platform. There are a variety of platforms and tools available for using ChatGPT in AI marketing. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Start small and iterate. when implementing ChatGPT in your business. Start with a small pilot project and iterate as you go. This will help you identify what works and what doesn't, and refine your approach over time. Monitor results and adjust your strategy. Once you start using ChatGPT, it's important to monitor its effectiveness and adjust your strategy as needed. Use analytics and other tools to track performance and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can start using ChatGPT to its full potential and achieve greater success with AI marketing in your online business. Thank you for watching this video on how to use ChatGPT for AI marketing in your online business. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights on AI marketing and ChatGPT. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.